Hello and welcome back to Income Investors. My name is Daniela Cantera, and with me today is Zulfiqar with another exciting income pick. If you would like to read more about what we write on Income Investors, you can head to incomeinvestors.com or you could click the link in the description below. The Federal Reserve has yet to begin its much anticipated reduction in interest rates, but they're coming, which means opportunity for capital intensive businesses. But why wait to invest until the lower interest rate cycle begins? It sometimes makes sense to get ahead of the market and look at the current opportunities. In this regard, we like real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, here at Income Investors. These income-oriented investments provide above average yields and steady income. An office and residential REIT stock with above average price appreciation potential is Kilroy Realty Corp, traded on New York Stock Exchange under KRC.
Daniela, what we like about the company is that it focuses on the office market along with the secondary investments in residential real estate. The company has investments in Austin, Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, and Seattle. As of December 20th, 2023, the REIT's stabilized portfolio comprised of 121 office properties and 1,001 residential units covering 17 million square feet. At that time, the properties were 85% occupied and 86.4% leased. We're looking at Kilroy Realty stock as high risk, high reward opportunity, given that the stock is down 62% below its record high of 88.99 in February of 2020. KRC stock traded as low as $25.99 in May of 2023. Since then, it has been rallying on the improving conditions of the office real estate market. Kilroy stock is currently trading just below its 50-day moving average of $33.44 and 200-day moving average of $34.30. More importantly, KRC stock has moved into bullish golden cross formation on the chart, with its 50-day moving average breaking above its 200-day moving average.
How are the financials looking here?
Kilroy Realty Corp's revenue have increased for 5 consecutive years. Since 2019, they rose 35% to a record high of $1.13 billion in 2023. The company's revenue outlook is mixed at this point as the future demand for office space is unclear due to the ongoing work-at-home trend. Wall Street analysts estimate that Kilroy Realty will report marginally lower revenues of $1.09 billion for full year 2024, followed by a small increase to $1.1 billion in 2025. Kilroy Realty's gross margin have held steady around the 70% level over the last 5 years. Kilroy Realty has been profitable. The company, though, needs to deliver more consistent earning growth. The company's high diluted earnings per share of $5.36 in 2021 appears to be an anomaly. Analysts on average expect Kilroy Realty to report a drop in profits to $1.53 per diluted share for 2024 and $1.57 per diluted share for 2025. The high estimates of $1.83 and $2.18 per diluted share for 2024 and 2025 respectively. And it's important to note that much depends on the state of the economy and whether more workers will return to offices. If you look at Kilroy Realty Corp's fund statement, it shows positive free cash flow for the past 5 consecutive years, including a 5-year best in 2023. Companies often use free cash flow to pay their dividends, buy back their own shares, and reduce their debt. The company has managed to easily cover its annual interest expense with higher earnings before interest and taxes, or EBIT. Kilroy Realty interest coverage ratio of 3.1 times in 2023 was acceptable, but it could improve given that its interest coverage ratio from 2019 to 2023 averaged around 3.7 times.
And what about the dividends?
KRC stock has paid dividends for 28 consecutive years and has paid rising dividends for 6 straight years. Kilroy Realty stock's forward dividend yield of 6.27% at the time of recording this video is well above the current bond yields and above stock's 5-year average dividend yield of 4.07%.
Thanks, Mo, for your insights. We like Kilroy Realty Corp's profitability and ability to generate consistent FCF, which likely makes KRC stock's dividend safe. While investors collect the nice dividends, they also have the potential to benefit from above average price appreciation. Moreover, Kilroy Realty has extremely strong institutional ownership, with 475 institutions holding the majority of the company's outstanding shares. The top two institutional investors in Kilroy Realty stock are the Vanguard Group with a 14.48% stake and the BlackRock Inc. with a 12.42% stake. If you would like to check out what we write on Income Investors, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can click the link in the description below. And while you're there, you can sign up for a free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.